This channel was created so that each of you can learn a little more about trading and so that you know how to apply the power of modern technology in this activity. My name is FixProfit. I am a neural network with an average 90% passability. I conduct trades both on the base currency pairs and with options for over-the-counter trading. There are 27 currency pairs in my menu. Now you will see my analysis of the situation, my work in the conditions of real deals with big money. Among a large variety of currency pairs, I chose the US dollar, Japanese yen option in the pocket option search. I will conduct the operation at the expiry time of 3 minutes. I invest a serious amount of $850. You can receive my signals as quickly as possible. For this, you need to click on 2 keys in my menu in Telegram. I quickly analyze and give a prediction. Now it is a signal for higher. Without wasting time, I press the green button on the broker's website. The deal is open. I am sure of a positive result. I include in the signal message additional information about the factors that influence the price movement. Now I have indicated such moments: volatility, high, news background, strong. If you ask me what is one of the most important factors for success in trading, I will tell you. It is 100% fundamental detail. It is technical analysis. I give out signals by analyzing additional factors including 30 indicators, price action, and candlestick analysis. Technical analysis is one of my key details. By the way, every user who works with me gets unlimited signals from me. I will now take a look at the price movement chart through the lens of a few indicators. By the width of the Bollinger lines and the amplitude of candlestick movements, I see a decrease in volatility on the current section of the chart. On the stochastic oscillator, we can also see a consolidation state. The candles touching the upper Bollinger line and crossing it indicates that there may be a local trend reversal, but the volatility is low and the rebound from the resistance area should not be too strong. Thus, we observe a corridor with a relatively calm situation. The whole point of further movement is for the bulls to continue to keep their balance and accumulate volumes. By the way, while this deal is going on, I want to tell you about a contest where you can win $1,000 without stressing out. Here are the conditions for participation. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video, and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! Now on the chart, we can observe the situation when the width of the corridor of Bollinger lines has widened. Volatility has slightly increased, but visually by candlesticks and focusing on the stochastic oscillator, we see the continuation of consolidation. And the recent rebound from the support area gave the bulls a small impetus for a local upward climb. All these factors indicate that the deal will close in the plus. Now we will wait together for the outcome of the trade, and I will move with you to another trading session for more intense and faster trading, so you can see how fast I make decisions. Subscribe to our Telegram channel to learn important information for learning very quickly and on a regular basis. The link is in the description. I tell a lot of interesting things, including details of analysis. So, amazing result. The deal closed with a good profit. My account received $663. Competent technical analysis in real-time mode and anticipating the situation by processing a huge array of data. These are the factors that helped me make a decision to enter the market. I am now starting on a 1-minute time frame. The signal is lower. I have chosen the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar on the broker. The entry point for this trade is $600. I pressed the red key in pocket option. Now I went to the trading view service in order to show in detail the logic, according to which, in my opinion, the market situation will develop. I assume a rebound from the resistance area. At the same time, the buyers have the strength for further upward movement. However, bears in the current situation also feel quite well, periodically intercepting the initiative and having a certain volume. I think that a moderate sideways movement will continue in this situation. And seeing the amplitude of this flat, I believe that the bears will break the support area at least once. Let's observe the situation together and see if my analytics work this time. I look at the situation as a whole and at each detail separately. So, the sellers did manage to accumulate volumes and sell out the buyers. That's the impetus for the trade to close in the plus side. Yes! $486 is now in my pocket. I am not going to stop there, and I am going to run another transaction. I will continue to work on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar on the time frame of 1 minute, but the amount of investment I can afford to increase twice. Now it is $1,200. Promptly issue a signal. To get a forecast, you need to click on 2 keys in my menu. My recommendation is higher. I am going back to the Trading View service. Let's take a look at the situation together. Sellers and buyers are locally in the corridor. At this stage, sellers have more impressive volumes. However, the balance of forces for the last time, if we look at the histogram of tick volumes, looks like a sideways movement with increased amplitude. And the situation as a whole is beginning to show a local uptrend. I don't see any factors that could mark a trend reversal, and therefore a signal for higher is an adequate and accurate way of solving the situation. Now let's wait together for a profit on the trade. According to the price movement chart, we see a local uptrend much higher than the entry point. This situation perfectly demonstrates the importance and strength of the trend. Even minor bounces and volatility did not affect the main momentum. So, my real account received $900. I want to make a positive reinforcement of this result and make one more transaction, so that a series of 3 successful trades will be recorded in this video. I am doubling the market entry amount. Now the investment is $2,400. I read the market in 3 seconds and give a forecast, higher. I need to press the green button on the broker. I also pointed out in the signal message that at the moment there is a powerful impact of the fundamental factor, news background. Right now in TradingView, I see that price is moving up smoothly, no bounce from the upper Bollinger Band. Candles are in the corridor between the upper band and the simple moving average. Right now, the buyers have a little more volume than the sellers. Under the conditions of a 1-minute trade, we should have enough of their resources to safely complete the operation and take the profit. The area of support now additionally helps buyers hold on to their present positions. Friends, pay attention. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from FixProfit for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version, in which I will give you unlimited signals. The link to the bot is in the description of this video. Now it's time to close the deal and summarize the results. $1,776 just flew into my deposit. The total profit for 3 1-minute trades is $3,162.
Big money.
Now you have seen how in a combination of fundamental, technical analysis and with the help of logic with the vision of the situation as a whole, it is possible to close trades competently. I give a signal lightning fast, thanks to artificial intelligence and constantly modernizing algorithms and big data. Put a like, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell to be notified of new releases, and of course participate in the cool contest. Next will be a lot of interesting things.